Welcome back to the channel and part 3 of the Vietnam Hidden Charm trip. And today we are in Dien Bien Phu, site of the worst battle for the French in the Battle of Dien Bien Phu from March 13th to May 7, 1954 was the decisive engagement of the First Indochina War, resulting in a crushing victory for the Viet Minh over the French colonial forces. The defeat effectively ended a century of French rule in Indochina and set the stage for a Geneva Accords, which temporarily partitioned Vietnam into North and South. This is when the French got kicked out of Indochina.
Well, our tour is beginning, and we are in Dien Bien Phu at one of the sites, and it's, as you can see, raining. But better to be on a tour day than being on a motorcycle. Nice and cool, but I got my yellow rain jacket, so I'm actually okay. So it should be a lot of good history about the battles of Dien Bien Phu. So this would have been the headquarters, the guardhouse, the campaign headquarters. So that's what we're going to go check out. Fan site. We call that the working shack. Telegrapher's sleeping tent, and so this would have been a bomb-proof area. There's some Vietnamese coming now. Viet Cong. Bing bang dang bang ding ding dong bang ding. More buildings. So this is the Vo Nguyen Giep, Commander-in-Chief. That was his humble abode.
No formal military training as well, amazing.
Yeah. So this would have been a bomb-proof area. Nice and dry in here. Much warmer than outside. This is where we're having lunch. There's a Viet Cong right there. So we turned off the lights. So I turn my lights.
Where they're gonna put the pan on, so they're gonna put some stick wood here to make a fire. Put it, and then so all the big pan is gonna cover here, and then the smoke is gonna go in through the tunnel here. So they're gonna use the tunnel here, going all the way back there, and you know that they're gonna use the leaf to cover. So it's gonna make the smoke just moving around the ground like this. So it's not going up.
That's really cool.
So that is how they hide from the enemy.
And these are the defensive lines of the French during the Battle of Dien Bien Phu. Lots of barbed wire. Lots of anti-personnel mines. But eventually they were still overrun. Bill A1. One of the French. You can see the trenches down here, and that's a giant blast hole.
Vietnam. Heading out from Dien, Bien Phu. Great day yesterday, and we are heading to Sapa. 270 kilometers of pure mountain pleasure. Temperature this morning, low teens. But at least it's not raining yet. So let's hope for this morning is beautiful. 95% dry. Hopefully we don't get into the rain up there, but so far so good. Is that nice or what? We are not very far from on my left, from the Chinese border. So this whole area of North Vietnam is surrounded by China. To the north, obviously. Nice little lake. Thai ethnic group villages. Not very rich. See a lady here. So the ladies, I'm going to go back again and repeat, but the ladies with the bun up on top of their head means that they're not available if they are from the Thai ethnic group. And not Thailand, but Thai, T-H-A-I. And basically hill tribe people. Look at the views up here. Wow. Very beautiful city here.
Rice might too soon. Mike's back in the rice field. He's like, I'm not going to get it.
Nice torch, eh?
good morning from Sapa, Vietnam. So good morning to the morning chaos as the locals are trying to get to work, and the roads here are pretty narrow, as you can see behind me, and this corner gets pretty screwed up here early in the morning. As you can see, it's pretty tight. So there's probably a truck up here or a bus trying to get through. Let's go check it out. You can see these VinFasts are everywhere. What's a VinFast? VinFast. Left, we'll have a staircase going back down to another road. And if you turn right, we are going up to the main square. So you can see a staircase here. Well, it's basically built on a mountain, so this is the main square. So they have events up here. So that's the train that will take up to the top of the mountain. Oh, sorry, train that will take you to the base of the cable car that will take you to the top of the mountain. So how about a 360 panorama? Well, back to Fancy Van. Lots of stairs. A lot of people. Like they're gonna put in another lift to the top. Just too many people.
Thanks for joining us to the highest peak in Indochina, Fancy Pan Mountain in Sapa. Thanks for watching, and look out for the next adventure, which will be coming up very soon.